Welcome everybody. And again, I just want to welcome every one of you guys that's literally joining us for the very first time, and you guys that are coming for the second, third time, or whatever time it is you're coming back to our channel. And I just want to say that don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for you to get more content and more videos of our analysis and stuff. So, guys, this is Linda once again, excited once again to share my breakdown, my weekly breakdown of the markets with you guys. I'm literally going to go through Euro USD today, which was sent out to our Telegram, which is sent out to our Regenesis members. So this is Euro USD that was forecasted to literally push up and probably close below this trend line and start pushing down to around about that 1.1650 psychological area that we had anticipated. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the charts right now to have a look at how the market looks. So if you guys can see, we have fairly moved for quite a number of pips from the initial entry, which was around about that area over there. So we are still holding to target, a few pips away from target. If you ask me, I literally do see Euro USD breaking even further down from the targeted area. So I'm just going to go through my analysis and explain to you guys how I got the trade and why I literally took the sales. And hopefully this video will be of help for you guys. So basically, I'm going to start off from the monthly time frame, which would be, the time frame that we look at to kind of get our entries and analysis correctly. So if we look at this monthly chart that we have here, we can see that market fairly pushed down for a number of months, and it started getting choppy around this area from literally March 2015. So this was literally March 2015, and we started seeing some escalation around about March 2017 for approximately 2 years. Euro USD has been trapped around the 1.050 area and the 1.155 area. So we can see that we've been trapped in this area. Excuse me, it's the 1.0500 and the 1.1450 area. So we've been trapped in this range for almost 2 years, and it's only after 2 years that we literally saw a break out of this zone. So now market pushed up to that level there on about 1.2400, but then they literally came back to test this broken area, which would be the monthly resistance that we broke after 2 years, and market hasn't come back to that area ever since July 2017. And last month was literally the first time market ever came to this area, which was August now in 2018. So we literally came to touch this area, and we do see that market kind of shied away from this zone with these candles over here. So we literally failed touching that area these past months. So we literally have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks that literally failed to get to this area, which tells me that Euro USD might just be a bullish trade for the rest of the year, or even for the next couple of years. So if we look at this, we do know that market corrects and impulses. So if we look at this, we can literally see that all this push was just a correction, and this is just an impulse of the correction. So it's just a correction of the impulse, excuse me. So we do see that our market might push up at this point, and we do see potential moves for the upward direction. But however, we do know that even so, we need to go down to smaller time frames to literally check if we have more buy opportunities and stuff. And if I look at our moving average strategy, I can see that even the monthly time frame, we literally need to break above that 1.1925 area for me to literally start getting confidence of more longs than sell positions on this pair. So that's just my monthly analysis and sentiment on the pair. And if I go to the weekly time frame, I can see that last week we literally closed very nice above that 1.17 area, which is like a very strong daily it's a daily area that we literally got from this wick over there. So if you look at the wick, that's literally the highest point that market got to, and we can see that market has been struggling to break that zone. We have been kind of struggling to break it, and you can see that there's literally like a lot of movement happening around about that area. But also I can see that we have been in a range in Euro USD since the beginning of 2018, which was around about May. So this was May. We literally got stuck in this range and they tried breaking out to the below, but we can see that, okay, market literally came to push it back into the range. So now, as far as I'm concerned, I am looking for more longs on this pair, and I will explain why. So at this point right now, we do see moving averages crossing over on the weekly time frame. So we can see that moving averages are literally crossing over on the weekly. So as we see this would be the first signal for us to literally start looking for longs. But however, last week's candle closed so nicely above this area, and we were all convinced that Euro USD had broken out of this range and Euro USD was about to hit skyrocket. But at the same time, as I did explain earlier on in the video, that we literally need to keep on zooming into smaller time frames to literally understand price action and get to see why certain things happen in the market. And once again, guys, this is just the basic stuff that you even get on online schools, all right? So you go down to your daily time frame as well, and if you go down to your daily time frame, you will see that we kind of established a trend line at this area over here, which was going to be a very nice bounce off of this area to literally break this zone around 1.17 that we've been stuck in. So if you look at this, we've been moving sideways around about that area, came back to break, but came back inside, and now we attempted to break the zone. But this candle from today is literally taking us back into the range, which is now why I literally want to explain why we got back to that zone. So guys, once again, I want you to know that you look at the market in a different way, and how you look at the market literally determines on what trades you take and if you're gonna profit or not. So right now, we came into this area. So literally after the breakout, I started seeing this range, and I started looking at the range, and I wanted to see what market was going to do at this point, because I could see that we're getting into a range on this pair. So as soon as I spotted this range, I knew that either we're gonna break above or break below, because every single time we see a range, even as our group members will know that we have accumulation phases, right, at the peak formation high or peak formation low. So this was literally one of the accumulations that were happening on Euro USD. All right, so as soon as I saw a breakout of this range, I knew that Euro USD was literally going to melt even further down. So I'll explain why I literally took this out to you guys. So if you look at this, textbook says that we have different kind of triangles and stuff like that, and people that literally study Forex and everything will notice that at this point we literally had a descending triangle. So if you go down to the H1, this would be a perfect time frame to literally monitor and observe what is happening at the market right now. So as soon as we broke out, we established the new support at this area. So it's around about 1.17400. So we can see that we literally established the new support area at that point. And I would say that breakout traders were literally waiting for a breakout at that 1.17400 area. And also, even as the market gave us support there, I also noticed that even as we were going, we were sort of creating lower highs, which was also a signal enough for me to say, right, this pair is just going to go down. So as soon as I saw these two highs, I literally knew that market was going to go down. And again, guys, I literally saw this mini range that we have from the general 4-hour range. I saw it on the H1 time frame. And as soon as I saw this, I knew that the breakout from this range was going to be ideal to trade this pair going all the way down. So as soon as I saw this breakout, I saw that retest, saw FOMC literally tried breaking this zone, but they came to close below. Now, as soon as they closed below this trend line, this is where me and the team took the trade for sell positions because we were literally waiting for that retest of the trend line, the dead bounce on the trend line. So we got that bounce up of the trend line, and we are now looking at that psychological area. And even as I said, guys, to you, that I literally do see it going all the way down. So if we go down to the daily time frame once again, just want to show you guys something. So if we look at the daily time frame, I'm just going to do like simplistic textbook stuff that you guys can just look into and probably, you know, work around them. So if you look at this, I do see a bounce off of that area before we start going to that 1.1925 area. But generally speaking, I am looking at longs on Euro USD. I'm looking for more long positions than shorts, and I still do see this pair going all the way down to at least around about that 1.160 area. So this is my sentiment on Euro USD, and I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. And once again, guys, we invite you guys to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and also visit our website if you guys would like to learn from our team. We literally do have a special that started from the 25th of September 2018 and will be going out on the 25th of October 2018. So this is literally a month of a spring special. So it's literally closing down on the month of October. So also, guys, this is Euro USD, and if you'd like to learn from our team, we invite you to go to our website, subscribe, and look at the deals that we have for you. And once again, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And from me, Linda, to you, we are grateful to have you on our session. Have a blessed day, evening, and be blessed. Thank you.